Hey everyone, Colette here, CEO of Elite Bee Growth and your freelance coach. I've leveraged multiple streams of income to earn over $1 million. Today we are diving into Millionaire strategies with 6 side hustles you can start for free in 2024. Smash that like button and let's elevate your income together. Did you know 65% of millionaires have at least 3 income streams? It's not just luck, it's a strategy. I'll show you side hustles that could start boosting your earnings today. First, let's declutter. Selling items on eBay, Facebook, Marketplace, or Craigslist is easy and free. Just take photos, list, and sell. You could turn your old books into tomorrow's new income. Next up, focus groups. Voice your opinion and get paid. Websites like Focus Point Global offers opportunities that could pay from $5 to $500. It's easy money waiting for your input. Ever thought about flipping items? Find free Craigslist treasures and some elbow grease and sell them for a profit. That old piano gathering dust? It could be your next big paycheck. If you're enjoying these tips, hit subscribe and ring the bell to not miss out on new strategies. What side hustles are you eager to start? Drop a comment below. Looking for more consistent earnings? Remote part-time jobs are booming. Platforms like LinkedIn and Monster are goldmine for customer service or data entry gigs. Start earning from the comfort of your own home. Turning credit cards for bonuses can be lucrative if you're smart about it. Use cards like Chase Freedom for regular expenses, earn bonuses, and pay balances in full to maximize rewards. Got skills? Monetize them. Whether you're an artist, a coder, or a writer, platforms like Upwork and Freelancer connect you with clients who need your expertise. Turn your passion into profit. There you have it, strategy to start building your wealth for free. Which hustle are you starting with? Share your choice in the comments. I love hearing from you. Share this video with friends who need a financial boost. And remember, here at Elite Bee Growth, we're all about growth. Catch you in the next video for more empowering strategies. Until next time, be freelantastic.